Good morning, children. Already we are in lesson number 15, safety first. Shall we continue? Before that, let us remind the important points of last class. It is very important to know the safety rules. Staying away from danger is called safety. It is a state of being safe. There are many things around us that can cause harm. We should follow safety rules to stay safe. The safety rules should be followed at home, at school, on the road, and it should be followed everywhere. We have learned about safety rules at home. We should be careful at home to not play with things like knife, scissors, blade, wire, medicines, fire, etc. This can be extremely harmful for us. Now we start next topic, safety rules at school. We need to stay safe at school too. Always throw the waste in the dustbin. We should always walk in a queue. Wait for your turn and do not push anyone. Do not eat anything given by any strangers. It may be harmful to you. Remember to inform your teacher or school security if you see suspicious. Be careful on stairs. Do not push anyone or jump. You may hurt yourself or others. When you are in playground, always wait for your turn on the swings, and we should not stand in front of swings. Text reading. Safety in school. We should not run on the stairs. We should not push each other. We should not walk in a queue. Queue spelling C, Q-U-E-U-E, queue. We should not stand in front of the swings. We should wait for our turn on the slides and swings. Now, children, we are going to see about safety rules on the road. First of all, let us see about traffic lights. All of you know about traffic lights. Traffic lights helps to prevent road accidents. It is very important to follow traffic rules always. Let us see here. Here, how many colors are there? There are 3 colors. Red, yellow, green, right? See here, red light tells to stop. Yellow lights tells us to be ready to go. Okay. Now this is green color. Green lights tells us to go. Okay. Now safety rules on the road are do not put safety rules on the roads are: do not put any part of the body out of the window of a vehicle. Some people will do like that, no? While traveling, their hand or head something will put outside. We should not do like that. That is very dangerous. We should never play or run on the road. We always walk on the road with an adult or an elder person. We should follow traffic rules. Already we have seen about traffic rules, right? We should cross the road safely. Before crossing the road, we should look towards our right, then left, and then right again. Before crossing the road, we should look towards our right, then left, and then right again. If the road is clear, if there is no vehicles on the road, we should cross the road. We should always cross the road at a zebra crossing. Do you know what is zebra crossing? Let us see. See children, this is zebra crossing. Zebra crossing with its black and white stripes on the road is so called because it resembles the black and white coat of a zebra. Zebra crossing with its black and white stripes on the road is so called because it resembles the black and white coat of a zebra. Do you know about a zebra, no? So it is called zebra crossing. Now text reading, safety on the road. There are traffic lights at crossings which help in preventing accidents. Stop says the red light, wait says the yellow or amber light, go says the green light. We should never play or run on the road. We should always walk on the road with an adult, never alone. We should not put our hand out of the window of a moving car or bus. We should obey traffic rules and follow the traffic lights. We should cross the road safely. We should always try to cross the road with an adult. Before crossing the road, we should look towards our right, then left, and then right again. If the road is clear, we walk cross. If it is not clear, we should wait for it to be clear. We should always cross the road at a zebra crossing. Already we saw what is zebra crossing. Zebra crossing with its black and white stripes on the road is so called because it resembles the black and white coat of a zebra. See zebra crossing. This is familiar to you. So children, we can always be safe if we follow safety rules at home, in school, and on the roads. Yes, children, with this we finish this lesson. Shall we meet in the next class? Take care, be happy, have a joyful day. Thank you.